In today's video, we'll go through how you can earn $500 per day in 4 simple steps. I'll teach you how to earn up to $500 every day using this affiliate marketing method for beginners. I will share the affiliate link to highly interested potential clients. And no, we will not use advertising, but rather a completely free and unnoticed method of making money. Hello, and welcome to Hustle Empire, a channel dedicated to teaching you about internet business, making money online, success, inspiration, and much more. I hope you like our video. Let's get started right away with step 1 of our 4-part step-by-step method. The first step is to upload a video to the first site, www.crowdfireapp.com. Their vision is instantly apparent: social media management made simple. That's right. Crowdfireapp.com is a social media marketing tool that organizes and schedules all of your social media content in one place. Although we will not be using their social networking platforms, it is important that we examine their essential features. Why this is so important to understand will become clear later in the video. When we scroll down, the first thing we notice are the tools to obtain relevant topics on any topic. If you come across anything interesting, you may share it right away by utilizing one of your social networks on your preferred site, such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. You may also share your website's content through your social accounts by putting it on your choice platform. As previously said, you may pre-schedule all of your content to maximize your time management. Finally, you won't have to worry about preparing your content for each platform separately. Crowdfireapp.com allows you to make your post once and then share it on several platforms such as Twitter. Now, the platform will suggest the same post with a slightly different style and match it to your other social media accounts. That's incredible. At the moment, we're scrolling down and clicking on affiliates and referrals. Yes, we will share our unique crowdfireapp.com referral link in order to make an additional $500 or more every day. This page summarizes everything. Suggest a customer and earn up to $500. The app offers you 35% of any payments made in the first year if you refer someone to Crowdfire. Let's go through the most important points of interest: 35% commissions, cash profits, and no joining fees. Payouts are processed swiftly, earnings are limitless, and tracking and reporting are straightforward. Isn't that what you were expecting when you began watching this video? But how does it work exactly? The first step is to sign up for an account and acquire your referral link. Sign up to acquire your unique tracking link, which will earn you money for customers that sign up using this link. The second step is to share and publish your link. They recommend that you spread your link via social media, blogs, emails, and other channels. These strategies are effective, but not as effective as the method I'll show you in the next part of this video. Third, receive 35% of every single payment made by your customers, even when you are sleeping. Doesn't that appear to be passive income? Following that, let's see a great example of how much you may earn by using their affiliate link. Let's begin with the most important part. How much money can you expect to make? There is no limit to the number of people you may refer and earn money from. That means you may make truly limitless sums on each and every payment made by your recommended customer. For example, if you share your referral link and a customer signs up for the $99 monthly VIP plan, you will receive $35 every month for the first year. That's $500 from a single customer. Please remember that this is per client. You sign up for the program. Using this method, you can easily have a large number of individuals sign up for the program every day since we target highly interested leads. That's valuable information to have. You get paid $35 on the first day, but earn a total of $500 since hot leads like these are anticipated to join up for a year. For the following 12 months, the monthly cost is $35. Passive income at its best. Convinced? I was thinking the same thing. Let's go ahead and click the Join button. We begin by entering our email address. We are currently entering further information such as first and last names, business names, and passwords. You agree to the terms of service by checking the box. We'll now create the Create an Account button. Next, we choose Skip for the time being, since we assume that not everyone has a team and is charting their own path to financial independence. Great! We have been sent to our Crowdfire dashboard. You may learn more about Crowdfire by clicking Learn More. For the time being, we'll click Dismiss, since I'll go over the key elements of our plan. Let's go to our screen's left column and click on Links. Referral links that look untrustworthy to potential clients are regularly used in affiliate marketing. Crowdfire via Partners Stack allows us to tailor our referral link, which increases our chances of success significantly. You may come up with anything creative for your link's unique component, such as your social media handle. You may also put the prospect's name in the URL to give them the impression that this is a truly special offer only for them. You may be wondering where you will distribute your link and who these incredibly eager prospects are now that we have your referral link. I will clarify everything. Step 2 is to visit Fiverr.com, one of the most famous freelancing marketplaces. Most of you are already acquainted with this website, but in case you aren't, Fiverr is a platform where people or organizations can engage freelancers for a variety of tasks. Digital marketing, graphic design, and copywriting can all fall under this category, as can app development and business plan preparation. Before we get into the specifics of what we'll be doing on Fiverr.com, sign up for an account at the top of the website. Then we click Join Now at the bottom of the sign-in screen. We begin by entering our email address. Then we choose a username and a password. Your account has now been created. To activate your account, accept the verification email in your inbox. Now we're ready to get into the main part of this video. But before we get to the most important part of this video, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment telling us what you think of our online money making strategy. Please watch the first part of this video again if you have any questions, and post your questions in the comments area below. Now that we're back, let's take a look at digital marketing, especially social media marketing. I strongly advise you to pay close attention from now on, since you must follow each step exactly as outlined in the video. Otherwise, you run the risk of being banned from Fiverr.com. As we can see, there are a lot of social media marketers out there that are willing to manage your social accounts, generate posts, schedule posts, and so on. Let's take a look at some of these freelance projects to ensure we're dealing with genuine freelancers. Keep an eye out for ratings and queued assignments at all times. This assures that we are working with trustworthy profiles. We plan to find such freelancers on Fiverr.com and contact them using the Contact Sellers button. We are not authorized to provide them our affiliate connection via Fiverr. We are aware that this is not authorized on Fiverr. So what are our alternatives? We'll write these freelancers an email saying something like, "Hey, I was very excited when I saw your gig and I'm considering working with you. Could I look at one of your accounts to get an idea of what I may anticipate from your services? Best regards." This is a common message that people send to Fiverr.com freelancers, so we aren't breaking any rules, and the freelancer gives us one of their accounts to show what they're capable of. It is vital to recognize that you should not constantly convey the same message to various freelancers. Always change a few words in your message. Assume the freelancer offers us their Instagram link through our Fiverr discussion. This is the third step. Now, we'll send them an Instagram message that looks like this. "Hello, I saw you provide social media management services and was wondering whether you already use a social media management tool. If not, please review your customized referral link and let me know what you think. It has already been utilized by 19 million individuals, and a special pricing is presently being offered. Best wishes." You may easily earn $500 or more per day if you use this approach 5 to 10 times each day. Step 4. As I revealed at the beginning of this video, I'd also provide 3 more methods to generate even more money using this money-producing approach. This method should be applied not just to Fiverr, but also to other sites like Upwork.com and PeoplePerHour.com. And once again, you're all set to start earning $500 or more every week with this affiliate marketing plan for beginners. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more content about how to make money online every day. See you next time at the Hustle Empire.